What's up, guys? I'm Jeffrey Crabb, big brother to the Trailer Nerd and his partner in crime when it comes to product development and innovation. I'm not on video often, but I'm jumping in this time to help introduce this new series that we're kicking off called Proving Grounds, where we're not just going to talk about the product, but we're actually going to put it to the test. Feature by feature, work through these trailers, put them to the test with product comparisons and many other things. So a couple of years ago, Jacob and I were in a customer focus group with a group of customers who we were asking, what can we do better? How can we improve our product? They gave us props on engineering, said we're on the right track, many things great, but they commented on a number of industry standard components such as 12K jacks and standard spring suspension and more that were holding the product back and were kind of the weak points, the weak links. So while much of that was no surprise to us, some things there that we'd been struggling with and frustrated with for years, the lack of innovation on some of those industry standard components, it was definitely wind in our sails to go to work and improve those components end to end. And so a good example of that is this LPT dump trailer right here in the background, where we have gone over that trailer end to end, worked through the components to make sure that it is engineered to deliver a better user experience, long-term durability, ease of use for years to come beyond the standards of what are common in the industry. So that's what we're gonna do on Proving Grounds. We're gonna pick it apart, starting with this dump trailer series, feature by feature, to demonstrate just why these components and the engineering, the total package of this trailer are investment grade, better than the rest, durable, strong, ready to do work. So with that, allow me to introduce you to my teammate and partner in crime, Mr. Hernan Castaneda, who's around here somewhere. There he is.
What's up, y'all?
Hernan has worked here with us at Diamond C for about 9 years, but otherwise he's a mechanic. He's a motorsports enthusiast, an outdoorsman, kind of a jack of all trades. And the once that I went snow skiing with him, he demonstrated to me that he was all gas, no brakes. So he's the man for the job to put these trailers through the paces and show us what they're really made of. So Hernan, what's in store?
All right, guys, we got 2 dump trailers here. We got a couple stoves that we're gonna utilize here in the background. We got a pile of gravel, some tree trunks, and some crushed concrete. We're gonna grab our equipment that we rented out. We're gonna put these trailers to the test. We're gonna do some drop tests, suspension tests. We're gonna try out the new jacks that we have in store. We're gonna compare every cranny of this trailer to see which is better.
Perfect, perfect. It's gonna be fun. What we say, less talk, more action, right?
Yes, sir.
So, tune into our YouTube channel. Don't miss it for the rest of the story. The Trailer Terminator, Mr. Hernan Castaneda, he will be back.